I'm ADC of Purchase Rationale. The date today is 13th of March 2023. It's a Monday, and the time now is 12:58 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase Rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. I have to put forward a disclaimer though that whatever I share here is purely for information and education only. Should you decide to take action to buy what is discussed or suggested here, first please consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock that we are going to talk about today is one that is a very low profile stock. Uh, it is in the industry of providing baby wears and also fabric related. Okay, uh, it's not noticed. It's very unknown, and the stock as it is not very traded popularly, but it's a very solid fundamentally stock, and also something that you want to consider as a long-term investment. Stable, pay good, pay good dividend, and very solid company. And the stock that I'm talking about is actually TGL, Teo Guanli Corporation Berhad, and the stock code is 9369. Okay, now let's go through the. Oh, before I go through the fundamental, uh, this stock, since it is not traded widely, so I'll be using the weekly chart, right, to indicate the chart afterwards, right? So now on the fundamental side, TGL, baby wear company trading in baby wear, manufacturing in baby wear, and also fabric related industry, has an operating earning yield of 18.1%. It has a ROIC percentage of 14.77. If you add these two up to form the magic formula, it's about 33%. Okay, so like I said, for the magic formula, anything above 15 is an acceptable figure for consideration. So this is 33, so it far exceeds the 15%. It has a low enterprise value to EBITDA, which is the acquirer's multiple of only 2.12. Anything below 10 is what we call good valuation figure for consideration. So it's only 2.12. So you are really buying value for money. Okay. It has only a PEG ratio, price earning to growth ratio of only 0.03. Anything below 1 indicates that this company has lots of room for growth factors, right? Pays a reasonably good dividend yield of 4.67%, positive free cash flow 19 million, strong Poitrowski F score of 7, any 7 and above, 7 to 9, which is the max, is an excellent figure for consideration. Okay, okay. Poitrowski F score measures profitability, leverage, and also management. Augment Z score, that's the bankruptcy score of 4.22. Anything above 2.5 indicates that this company should have no worry of going bankrupt in the coming next 2 years. Okay, market cap of 96 million, below the 100 million. Uh, so it also indicates that actually, since the market cap is rather low, it shows that actually price to intrinsic value is also low, right? So the current ratio of 4.43, normally 1.2 is already acceptable, meaning it has more than enough cash, reserve cash, uh, to either grow the business, expand the business, and also manage its debt should there be any. But anyway, it's a net cash company because the net debt is minus 49 million, uh, and the net debt to EBITDA ratio is a negative 2.62, meaning it has more than enough cash to tide over many years. Okay, and a retained earning of 66.46 million. Okay, the retained earning is important in the sense that that means it has been accumulating operating profits over the many years. Okay, so I would like to say that TGL, Teo Guan Lee, is definitely a strong, fundamentally based company. All right, though it may be, how do you say, low profile, but it's a company built on solid fundamental and financials. Okay. Okay. Only the thing about TGL is the sentiment in the market. It is not well known. People are not very interested. All I can say that if you have reserve funds, instead of putting it in the bank, you might as well want to consider to invest in the very long term. Okay. Now, first, I to look at the chart side, I must say that this chart I'm going to use the weekly chart. Okay, the weekly chart. As you can see, since April last year, oh, not last year, April 21 to April 2 years ago, you can see that the candlestick has actually moved up quite a lot. It has been at the base, before that, at the base, touching the base, and beginning of 26 April 2021, you see that the price action has actually been upward, ascending in this sense. Okay, and there is a golden cross on August of 2022, and it seems that Teo Guan Lee is on the upward trend. So trend wise, uh, though this is only seems like a sideway going up, but there you can see quite a few higher lows in forming. So on a weekly basis, even the trend is on the bullish side because first it is above the 233 line, also above the 50 MA 55 and the MA 21 line. And so the trend is confirmed. Okay, and it is also above the crowd, and you can also see that it is also above the ROC zero neutral line, meaning the momentum and trend is already on what we call a bullish trend momentum. Okay, so if you look at the Elio wave, there is still lots of range for it to touch the apex of impulse wave 3, and all I can say that it is what I call a MA rebound strategy that we are employing. And should you buy at the current price at the closing today at 115, okay, with a very long-term target price of 2 ringgit and 52 cent, with a stop loss of 88 cent, 88 cent, uh, you will have what I call a reward to risk ratio of 5.5 times, 5.02 times. Okay, so plenty of range for you to hit the target price. Okay, so remember, this is a very slow, gradual, and steady stock. Good fundamental. Not so popular. Not so. It's a very low profile stock. But given the general sentiment of the global and local market of today, banks going bankrupt in America, it is good to look at such companies. Such company uh, have very low volatility, strong basis for fundamentals, and most likely able to retain your value over the long term. Okay, so it's up to you. It's just that I'm presenting this case for your consideration, and I think that given the very volatile state of financial global situation, such a stock would actually bring a lot of stability to our investment. Okay. Should you think the trading idea that I proposed today on TGL is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. All right. If you like, it helps the channel grow. If you share, it allows others who are interested to watch this video as well. And when you subscribe and hit the notification bell button, you will get notified automatically when I make new videos of such nature in the future. So do support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and also pressing the notification button. All right. Uh, if you do not understand some of the terms I use here, kindly post a question in the comment section below, and I will explain what I mean when you ask the pertinent question to help you understand the conception here. Thank you for listening and also your precious time. Have a good day and bye bye.